Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po teachers, meron po tayong good news dahil meron na po mga schools na naka-receive na po or maaari na po maka-receive na kanilang teaching allowance. So check po natin yung ating pong latest news. So ano naman po natin na ito pong teaching allowance ay based po sa Kabalikan sa Pagtuturo Act. At ngayon pong school year ay meron po tayong increase, no? From 5,000 pesos ay ito po ay ginawa na pong 10,000 pesos. Kaya naabangan po natin itong ating teaching allowance. And nakalagay po sa ating memo sa additional guidelines na ito pong pagbibigay ng ating teaching allowance ay ibibigay raw po not earlier than the official start of the school year and may be decided by the secretary or his or designated authority in case of emergency. That's why ngayon po nagulat po tayo dahil meron po mga lumabas na po ng mga list of schools and divisions na meron na po nakatanggap or meron na po marireceive na kanila pong teaching allowance. So check po natin yung list of schools, no, with teaching allowance na po. So nakalagay po ito po, no, Bao National High School. Cash requirements to cover the 2025 cash allowance for teachers at 10,000 per teacher. Then we have also Baton National High School, Agdangan National High School, Mambolan Nuevo High School, Binanoanan High School, Barceloneta Fisher School, Bula National High School, Antipolo National High School, Minalabak, Bicol Fisher School at Division of Camarines Sur. An additional list po is we have also Camarines Sur National High School. Ang nakalagay po, cash requirements to cover their cash allowance for teachers. Naga City School of Arts and Trades, Division of Naga City, Concepcion Pequeñan National High School, Naga City Science High School, Tinago National High School, Leon Q. Mercado High School, Cararayan National High School, Carolina National High School. So, congratulations po sa mga schools na meron na pong marireceive na cash allowance. So, kayo po yung mauuna at maswerte. So, tayo po mga teachers, ay wait lang po tayo na I'm sure ay tuloy-tuloy na po yung pag-release na ating cash allowance. So, kung gusto niyo po ng latest update about DepEd and ating pong cash allowance, don't forget po to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po tayo pag meron po mga latest news. Yan po at maraming salamat.